Hello everyone, and welcome back. So today I'm just showing you guys some updates that we're actually doing at the back of our property here. We're actually going to be developing this area here. As mentioned earlier in previous vlog, I wanted to raise native chicken. What they call it here is native chickens, and this whole area is basically going to get developed to where we're going to build chicken coops along here. So I actually have a couple of chicks already growing in our barn area, but the goal is to basically release them right over here when things are all developed, and hopefully increase productivity here. So bit by bit, and I'll continue updating you guys along the way. But so far, this is what is happening, and things are progressing here.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Oh, dreamy, breezy, we go easy, easy.
We have some progress.
Undercover agents of the other, beyond gravel, beyond all. Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows.
So our chicken coop is almost done, and it's looking pretty good. And as you guys notice, we're starting to put some extra beddings there, and right over there on the floor. So yeah, it's almost done. It looks like the only thing that's missing is probably the door, and we're actually going to put some nettings there because we're going to free range our chickens. So yeah, we got Dominic at the back there putting more beddings, and we got to grab more later on. But it's looking good so far, and we just can't wait to basically release the chickens here. We just came from the rice farm. We just came from the local rice farm to grab some rice hull, and we're gonna be using this to lay this on the floor, just to keep the area nice and clean when we release the chickens. And yeah, we got like 10 bags today, and I think it's gonna take a bit more than 10 bags to fill this whole area, but it's a start.
How much did it cost you for one sack?
So it all depends on who you talk to. Some of the local farmers will give these rice hulls for free. In my case, I ended up talking to one of the guys that I normally deal with, and he actually gave me the rice hull, 10 pesos for each bag. So each of these costs 10 pesos total. I'm not sure if there's any ideal weight So if you guys are familiar with the use of rice hull to as chicken coop bedding, feel free to comment down below. But we're just basically starting, and we're learning as we go here. So I'm not sure how thick we need of a layer to fill this whole area, but I'd say about an inch or so. But again, I could be wrong. So any of you guys could clarify that, comment down below and let me know. I'm gonna start laying all this around, just simply spreading it evenly around the area. So in case you guys are wondering what's this black stuff underneath here, this is actually crushed charcoal. My brother-in-law actually owns a store, and some of the charcoal that he had in stock were all powderized, so I wasn't able to sell it. So he basically donated the charcoal to us, and I figured I'd use it as one of the mediums to cover the ground. Apparently charcoal is good for chickens. I'm not sure to what degree and what amount is good, but I've actually layered I've actually put a whole layer of charcoal around the area here. So just to balance things out, I got the soil, charcoal, and a layer of these rice hull. What I'm trying to accomplish is basically a deep litter chicken coop. The deep litter method is basically a way to make a form of compost while reducing maintenance in the chicken coop area. So what's going to happen is as the medium and all the chicken poop falls onto the medium, you put another layer of rice hull and you basically stir it around. And after a couple months down the road, you can take a layer of this whole compost and feed this to your garden. So I'm gonna try it out. It's all trial and error at this point, and I'll take you guys along the journey as we continue building our own homestead here in the province. Because we're actually new to taking care of chickens and whatnot, we're actually still studying and learning as we go. This whole setup, who knows, maybe this whole setup will change eventually, but right now the idea behind this is all the nesting area, all our chickens, all free ranging, and we're gonna have a brooding area as well, but for now this is what we have. So make sure to stay tuned. For those of you guys who are actually new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like this video. We're trying to put more content in terms of our province life and how we're trying to set up our small homestead here in the province. So with that said, I think we're gonna end our vlog for today. In the meantime, until next time, goodbye.